Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello kids and parents. In this video, we will learn 50 junk food names. Are you ready? Let's start! Juice. Juice. This is juice. Fries. Fries. These are fries. Chips. Chips. These are chips. Soda. Soda. This is soda. Candy. Candy. This is candy. Cake. Cake. This is cake. Donuts. Donuts. This is donut. Burger. Burger. This is burger. Ice cream. Ice cream. This is ice cream. Pizza. Pizza. This is pizza. Chocolate. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Cookies. Cookies. These are cookies. Popcorn. Popcorn. These are popcorns. Gummy bears. Gummy bears. These are gummy bears. Smoothie. Smoothie. This is smoothie. Onion rings. Onion rings. Nachos. Nachos. These are nachos. Onion rings. Onion rings. These are onion rings. Hot dog. Hot dog. This is a hot dog. Tacos. Tacos. These are tacos. Slushy. Slushy. This is slushy. Fudge. Fudge. This is a fudge. Chocolate bar. Chocolate bar. These are chocolate bars. Jelly beans. Jelly beans. These are jelly beans. Muffin. Muffin. This is a muffin. Cheese balls. Cheese balls. These are cheese balls. Yummy! Brownies. Brownies. These are brownies. Waffles. Waffles. These are waffles. Yummy! Pie. 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 This is a pie. My favorite. Pudding. Pudding. This is a pudding. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.